What do you have all over your face? Mascara?
Say mascara.
Okay. Ah.
Mascara.
Care.
Mascara.
Not care.
Yeah, you do. Did you put it on your brother?
What?
Xavier. Is it because I put his hair in a ponytail? Don't you dare. Xavier. Look at mommy.
Say ya.
Xavier.
Yeah.
Oh no, Austin, come here.
Yeah.
Austin, Jay, come here. Xavier. Zayway. Do you have mascara on? Hi.
Huh?
Can I have my phone? Give me my phone. Look. Look.